Yeah, guys. Just got another. Oh shit! As I got here, guys, fish on. As I got here. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you guys for joining. Just remember, guys, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ad, guys. We're here and we're about to hit up my spot where I hit that tarpon the other morning. I'm gonna try after him again, see if I can get a little bit of action. Let's see what's up, guys. It's a nice spot. Yesterday I didn't push out. Yesterday I was kind of tired and I just stood in. I've been doing a lot of wade fishing and it takes a lot of walking in the water, which it takes a lot out of you. So I'm heading back to it without further ado this morning. Let's see what's up. Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. We're back at the spot where we hit that tarpon, and I don't hear them feeding. I seen somebody turn this John boat over, but the water looks good, and it's also high tide. There might be a barrel laying around here someplace, but let me get my wallet and keys out my pocket and stuff. I gotta get it in my fanny pouch, so I know if the water goes past my fanny pouch, I'm too deep in the water. Yeah, I got all kinds of stuff in here that don't need to be getting wet. Money. Alright, we'll get a cast out after a barra first, guys, and see if we can pick up a barracuda with this wire lead. But if not, I'm gonna have to switch up and go down there and grab myself, whatchamacallit. I'm gonna get wet. I'm definitely gonna get wet. But let's do a little short cast and see if we can get out here someplace. Start getting hitched up and grab ourselves a barra this morning. Fished the barra the other day. I'm trying to move slow through this water, guys. Don't want to move too fast. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, doing a bit of wade fishing this morning. Yeah. Ooh, he's seen it. There's a small barrel right here, guys. He's real small. There's a couple of them in here. Little small barracuda, guys. Look at him. Real small guy. Right there. You guys can see me pointing at him. He's right there where my lure is. Look. He's gonna move. Yep. Little small guy. They hang out in the shallows, guys. That's their thing. Yeah, he's a little small guy. I'm not really interested in him. I'm looking for something a little bit bigger than that, guys. Yeah, wade fishing. Some small pretty fish under there though. I don't have my tights on today. That's odd for me. Morning, how you doing? That's the best. I wish I had this view. Said I wish I had this view. I think I'll be back here throwing line every day. Yeah, guys, I had so many casts, guys. This spot wasn't proving fertile, so I moved on to the next spot at the bar mouth. Alright, that's it. Jamaican shore fishing, murder she wrote. I'm going home. That's it. Move right now.
I heard somebody knock on 3 snooks down here this morning. We'll go around on the river mouth, but I come on this side and the river changes back. That's crazy. I'm gonna go around, guys. I'm on the hunt, making sure fishing. I see somebody wade fishing over there. That's casting lures. That look like Rashawn. He's like, oh, JB leaving me fishing. That's what happens. Sure fishing comes out. Sure fishing's out, guys. That's what's up. Pick up yourself, guys. That's what's up. Nothing yet. Oh wow. Foreman. Oh, get out of here. You serious? How the fuck that happened? Oh wow. Really and truly, I'm gonna go top water lures, guys. I'm gonna switch this off. I'll switch off, guys, to a highlighted color. Bright colors, bright waters. Snook eyesights are normally good in water, guys. I put a highlighted visibility color for the belly. Highlighted color from to get that. Over to the bushes. Right there. Drop it. That's all. Pop it. Pop it. I'm thinking I want to take a check and try to go across there. What does that look? Deep? Next thing you know, I'm soaking in neck deep water. Oh. Can't get a good cast in here for fishing. No good. No good. I want to try on the front here, guys. What happened is we was back there just now, but I'm not getting much reading back there, guys. And I know on the front here there's normally big snooks around here in the morning, but I'm probably out here late this morning. Nothing. I didn't get nothing now. Got wet for nothing. Didn't get anything. Yeah, guys. Just got another. Oh shit! As I got here, guys, fish on. as I got here. Woo! I only shore fishing. Yes, yes, yes. You cannot expect less. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Just linked up my brethren a while ago. As I threw the lure in, got a barracuda. That's it. That's what's up, guys. I just look at this. Mr. Barra, your dinner tonight, buddy. That is it. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Stay tuned for more hookups. You see me all morning, right? Going at it. And this one decided to say he was gonna get into it, right? That's what's up, guys. We out here. Haha. Let's get him on. Damn it, boy. That fast, huh? First cast, guys. Let's get him on. Let's get better. Make sure you don't flick up and hit my hand. And I got you properly. Oh, that damn. You know what, Jay? Don't be lazy. Get that pliers out. Grab that hook. Yep, once you have that hook, you have him. That's it. Alright, we got you off of there. You can go ahead and hang tight there for a bit till I'm ready for you. I'm not ready for you yet. Here, guys. So, that was a small barrel. We'll come back for him in a bit. Sit tight for a second. That boy was quick as lightning, boy. He hit that like a gunshot a while ago. Get him. Go again and see if we have any more in that same spot. As long as you are chasing. Calm down, fella. Oh man, that's not good. That's not good. What's up, D? What's going on? How you doing this morning? Huh? Oh yeah, the left? I left, you left? Oh, okay. There's something come on. Yeah, I'm trying to look. I seen your car. That's what got me stopping. I seen your car a while ago.
Oh, you're heading that way?
I'm have to go left. I'm have to go pick up somebody. Alright, come here, boy. Ah, come on. Calm down. It's not that serious. I got you. Come to daddy.
Jesus.
It's not that serious.
One way or the other.
One way or the other, you go home.